If you want your Power BI reports to instantly look more professional, there are a handful of things you should always change the moment you start a new report. Today, I'll show you those first steps so every dashboard looks clean, consistent, and polished. Let's start with the simple stuff that makes the biggest difference. Use themes. The built-in themes in Power BI aren't terrible, but they are generic. So regardless, your first move, go to View, Themes, and either pick a clean one that you like or import your own custom branded theme. Custom themes let you set your exact brand colors, define text sizes, standardize visuals, and control your backgrounds. You can browse for themes that others have created, or you can create your own and save it for your future dashboards. Themes set the tone for everything that you build next. By default, Power BI uses a 16:9 widescreen canvas, but depending on your audience, that may not be ideal. End users may prefer letter-sized layouts so they can print reports, or certain dashboards and visuals are better experienced in a tall and scrollable format. So if you need to, change this early. Go to the Format pane, Canvas settings, type, and choose the correct style that's appropriate for the report that you are building. Review the options for both the global and current file sections. Your global option selections will impact every Power BI report that you create. The current file option selections only apply to the file you currently have open. A couple that I would recommend looking at are type detection and time intelligence, which can be found under data load, preview features, and report settings. Before building your report, decide how users will move around it. Your options, you can have tabs across the top, you can create a left side vertical navigation bar, you can have buttons that link to pages, and or a home page with section links. Set up your navigation early so your entire report follows the same pattern. It makes your report feel like an app, not just a collection of random pages, but an intentional design that allows users to better utilize your report. These simple first steps improve clarity, usability, and design consistency before you ever place your first visual. If you want deeper Power BI tutorials and practice tips, subscribe to the channel and check out the next video where I'll walk you through the basics of Power Query.